Hi boys and girls, this is Collins. I'm back with another phonics video. And like always, we're going to start our vowel sounds. But today we're only going to do the short vowel sounds. So let's get started. Short A says A as in apple. Short E says E as in edge. Short I says I as in itch. Short O says ah as in octopus. And short U says as in up. Good. So now let's move on into another part of our lesson. And this is when we're going to identify the syllables in a word. Okay? Now, do you remember when we were in class? I know you would. We had 3 different ways to identify the syllables in words. The first way was syllable stump. And instead of us stomping our feet, we would just tap the table for each syllable we hear in a word. The second one was well talk. You guys love that one. That's when we have our lips sealed and we still project or push the words or the word parts when we're saying them, like this. And the last one was syllable boards. Now, I don't have any syllable boards here at home with me. So what I've decided to do is to have this board and I have these little dots, okay? And I'm going to push those like I will push the syllable boards. So we're going to do a little practice with our syllable, identifying our syllables. The first one that we're going to do is syllable stump. And I'm going to tell you the word and I want you to stump it out and then I'm going to stump it out. Think you can do that? All right, let's go. First try. Butterfly. Good. How many syllables did you hear? Perfect. Now I'm going to try it. Butterfly. Butterfly. How many syllables? 3. Perfect. Now I'm going to try the well talk and I want you to try the well talk. First word is insist. Good. All right, now I'm going to try it. Insist. How many syllables? Just like you, 2. And our last practice is our syllable boards. I'm going to pull my board up. And I have more than I need, so the word is consistently. Let's think about it. Consistently. Let's try it. Consistently. How many syllables in that word? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 syllables. Perfect. Now we're going to start doing this versus saying our vowels at the beginning of our phonics videos from now on. All right, so now let's move right along into our other concept. Today we're going to be talking about digraph blends. Now, we've discussed this before, but now we're going to just review it. We all know what digraphs are. What are digraphs? That's right. 2 letters that come together to make one sound. That's what a digraph is. And what is a blend? Yep. 2 or more consonants that's right next to each other and you hear each sound. So a digraph blend is a digraph that is right next to a consonant, and that will make a digraph blend. For example, I have a few examples here. Is SHR. SH is our digraph and it'll be right beside R, which would say sure, and that's a digraph blend. Another one is THR. TH is our digraph and our R will make it a blend. So this would say thrrr. Now this one, NCH. CH is our what? That's it, our digraph. And N is a consonant, and this will make it a digraph blend. So, nch, nch. And this one, TH is our digraph, and N is our consonant. So this will make it a digraph blend. Now for our special guest, you may be thinking, Miss Collins, that's not a digraph, but this is a digraph blend. We're considering it a digraph blend because this is our special guest, SQU. QU is usually together. Anytime you see it in the word, and what does it say? That's it. So when you have S here, that is what this is going to be our special guest. I put a dot there so you can know this is our special guest in the digraph blend family. And it says squ. And it's a little different because this one is the only digraph blend that contains a vowel. So now let's go and try to practice identifying the digraph blends in words and then stretching and reading those words. First word is here. Do you see any digraphs? Yes, I see one here. Let me move it up so you can see. I see one here. And right beside it is a consonant. So that makes ch, our digraph blend. But here I see a blend. Ch, branch. Perfect job. All right, let's try another one. Do you see a digraph? Yes. Sh. Is it next to a consonant? It is. So our digraph blend here is sh. Let's stretch the rest of it. Sh. Ed. What's the word? Shred. Good. All right, so now we see identifier here where this is our special guest. But we know how to sound and stretch it. So let's do here. Because QU makes the what sound? Qu. So let's say it again. What's the word? Squint. And what is our special guest digraph blend here? Squ. Great job. All right, let's do another one. Look at this word. Do you see a digraph? First thing you should do is find it. What is it? TH. Is it, what is right next to it? Is it right next to a consonant? It is. So, let's stretch the whole word. Moth. What's the word? Moth. Let's do one more. Find the digraph. Ooh, tricky. And shh. So this word has how many digraphs in them? 2. You have th and shh. So now let's figure out if it's a digraph blend or not. We are going to look for a consonant right beside the digraph. So th has right beside it. So that's that's the digraph blend. Let's see if it's one at the end. Sh has what right beside it? And is that a consonant? No, that's a vowel. So this is not our digraph blend, but this is sh. What's the word? Thrush. Perfect job. I am so proud of you. We're going to continue to work on digraph blends in our next video. So until next time, bye.